What is going on YouTube? We have a Target Halloween unboxing. My wife ordered it. I can't even remember what she ordered, but we shall soon find out. There's quite a lot in here. So first up we have this ghost. Yeah, let's quickly show them all and then show it with the lights off. We have this plastic skull. I guess it's supposed to be a bowl or something. Skeleton. These are all that Hyde and Eek or whatever they're called. Try to do it quick so it's not a long old boring video. This is a Hyde and Eek. It's what he's supposed to be, like a what's this, like a Bert from Sesame Street, but he's got beads, so he's weird. So we got that guy. And there's another one. I guess he's like a werewolf pumpkin, because he's got the werewolf jack-o'-lantern. Cool. This guy's adorable. Look at his wings. He's got like his little furry chest. He's super cool. And that's pretty much it. Let me turn the light off in here and you can see them glow. Okay, we've got the ghost first. Pretty cool. He's pretty green. The camera's not really catching up how green he is. These are very cool. And then this guy. Pretty cool. And that was it. Thanks for watching, guys. Tomorrow we're going store hunting, so there should be some cool stuff coming tomorrow. Until then, we'll see you later.